Good morning, beautiful souls. Let's get something really crystal clear. This journey is a sacred journey. Both twins must be in wholeness and fullness. One of the reasons I teach detoxing is so you can get out of all the lower frequency. The detox starts tomorrow, the 1st of December, and we go deep in for the next 30 days. Every single day, I will show you how to get out of the lower vibrations and rise into those higher dimensions so you can start to take the steps forward for that inner union frequency. You see, while ever you are doing the journey for divine masculine or for union, the paradox of the journey is you will never ever receive it. Why is that? Because this is not something you can think your way to. This is not something you can become more spiritual by reading more spiritual books. This is an energetic shift that takes place within you. It is a shift that takes place where you shift into that sacred union frequency. Once you shift into that union frequency, and you have to create that inner union frequency first, and I really want to stress as well, it happens in all areas of your life. Not just in one area, not just in love and romance. This is way beyond love and romance. And when people get into all that toxic energy, the distorted energy of twin flames, it's because they are solely focused on love and romance. Let me make this really crystal clear today that this journey is way beyond love and romance. This is the biggest journey you are ever being activated on. It is about coming into sovereignty. It's about holding your divine frequency. It's about embracing and embodying the abundant frequency codes, the codes of 144,000. This is not about chasing something. This is not about, oh yes, it's just a higher connection than a soulmate. It's way beyond that. It's completely chalk and cheese. This is an awakening journey, and the soul does the work on the journey. It's not what you're trying to achieve in the 3D. You must energetically shift into a sovereign frequency, into your divine feminine frequency. And only when you're able to hold that energy and fully align with soul, that it allows the journey to unfold for the divine masculine. But you have to be able to hold that frequency, and not, as I say, just in love and romance, just in, okay, I'm not chasing them anymore. It's way beyond that. It's every area. It's your soul purpose. It's your mastering your emotions, regulating your nervous system. It's way beyond, let's just get union with that person. It's way beyond that. And while ever you stay stuck, locked and focused, fully focused just on that, you'll keep yourself trapped in an endless loop of pain and suffering and trying to figure out, going from the next person to the next person, spending all your time researching, trying to find the most information about twin flames. This journey is beyond the information. This is an energetic shift that will take place within you. And when you're able to hold that and master that and actually start to alchemize those lower dense frequencies, then that's when the journey starts to truly unfold for you. And as I say, if you want more help and support, starting tomorrow, we have got 30 days of detox. We go all the way through December. So you are ready in that new sovereign frequency for 2026. And what is 2026? It is that fire horse. It is taking us into a whole different frequency. If you're ready, It is there for you now. I send you much love. It's available on my website, 3wscatsacredsoul.com. I send you much love, many blessings.